Las Vegas. And this is 29th floor. And this room is the standard queen. So, comes with robes, there's slippers up there, ironing board and the iron. Let's see here. We got a nice stand-up shower. Nice little vanity. Then you got a toilet with a separate door. Full-size mirror here, and luggage space. You got your, this is a 50-inch, and 2 chairs, a table, 2 queen beds, and you've got a joining room. So this is the entrance, that's our door, same closet over there, same bathroom, and same 50-inch TV, and this is the single. King. We've got a view of the backside. Oh, there's our pool. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down here, so 7 pools that you go to Conrad. This is Conrad, Las Vegas Resorts World. There are 3 hotels here. One's Hilton and one